train.
And today we're doing some try not to laugh challenge. Let's go.
Walking through the forest. Oh my god, a woodpecker!
Ow.
Oh,
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
oh my gosh.
Oh god. Gosh, that's dangerous.
He's probably an expert, though.
I know, but
Dude.
still.
What?
Oh.
Oh!
Ow.
Oh!
Remember, don't laugh.
We can't laugh. Can't laugh. Dude, but that snake just, bam, wrecked.
You would have bit him.
Back here live at the waterfront village with my friend the zombie, Jonathan. You're looking good. Jonathan just got an awesome face paint job. What do you think? I like turtles. All right.
To
you're
say I'm
great
like-
zombie.
Oh, man.
Good times here
I
at the
like
waterfront
turtles.
village.
It's like,
Open
I like
next 11
turtles.
days.
Winner dog.
Oh.
Oh, man.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Who decides to do this? Like, don't do it. Don't do it.
No. Oh god.
Ooh.
Oh my
Okay,
gosh.
back to
Back
this.
again.
Wait, you laugh. You're like, Ooh.
Oh.
Well, that baby's laughing, so we have to laugh
You
at
guys
it.
failed.
What is that face?
It's like Megamind.
Yeah, dude, he looks super smart. Your underwear is showing, bro. You're holding a Sprite bottle, bro. Whoa. What just happened?
Ow.
Hey, girl. Hey, man.
Hello.
Hey, man. How you
He
doing?
didn't like a potato chip.
Yeah.
Hey, dude.
Hey, man.
What's up?
He's fat. He's the fat one.
What is he doing?
Oh.
Oh.
God.
Whoa.
No, no.
Oh. Ow.
Oh, that gotta hurt. Wait. Hold on. Did he just say?
Wait, go back, go
some
back.
milk?
Go back.
Like there. It's like
He needs some milk.
he needs some milk. Oh, he needs some milk. I love milk. It's actually my favorite beverage. What about yours?
Water.
Water. H2O.
Officer, I got one question for you. What are those?
Oh, okay. Never do that to police.
Oh,
Look at his teeth.
some came in the mail today. These nuts.
What?
Got it.
I never was really in that like zone in the internet. Triangles.
Oh.
Well, if you're talking about John Cena, can I join?
Alright, I ran out of patience. On the roof!
Oh no.
It is Wednesday, my dudes.
What? Oh, I know where this is going. You shall not pass.
back to the shadow!
Oh my gosh.
You shall not pass!
What?
This is,
Did he just stab his foot?
no, he just stabbed the train. He's poking the. Oh yes, go. Lord of the Rings. Yeah. Go.
Let's see another one, guys. Let's see which one.
That one was short.
Let's watch part of this. We're not gonna watch all of it. And please comment and subscribe to see if you want to watch this whole. Try not to laugh.
Okay, we don't want to see that.
See what?
Oh, whoa, dude!
Wait, go
Did
back.
you see that? Look at this. No. Look!
What?
He just
I took
shot
yours.
the apple.
I got your nose.
They catch Monica being bad.
The child's so sad. Oh, okay.
It's on the run.
It's on the run with plastic bags.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Okay. Did I just laugh at that?
You said
That was so stupid.
Jesus Christ, that's Jason Bourne.
Yep, I love Jason Bourne.
that looks like Jason Bourne.
Oh, yeah, that's Jason Bourne. Whoa.
There's Uranus. You see it? You see it?
That was my anus.
Oh,
Oh.
oh my gosh.
Oh, they're falling.
My dad has a goatee. My dad has diabetes.
Oh.
Oh.
my dad had diabetes. Got diabetes. Well, too bad for them.
How are you people?
Oh no! Oh, the poor guy. Oh,
Oh.
oh, the cheerleader.
You're fine. You're not really fine.
Oh. Well. Oh my God.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 7th game of the World Series, bottom of the 10th. So, that almost got away from Olsen.
Oh my God. No. Oh my God. Oh,
Ow.
free skate.
Hey, hey,
Did you just scream?
Get some help.
Karma.
Doing grandma and granddaddy's laundry.
Oh my God.
I like that one.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, gosh.
Why? That's what happens when you fall asleep in class. Oh, oh my gosh. Those are people who just are not born to be athletes. Oh no, no, no. Oh man.
Because I feel like all my hard work in the gym has paid off.
Cool. Okay. Speedo time.
Get it, buddy. Go get him.
Yeah, Tarzan. That is the face of defeat. Like, I don't want to be here. Mom, Dad, why you make me do this?
Say your prayers to Jesus.
Oh, okay.
Tickle, tickle.
Oh my God.
Give Kaylin a hug. Give hugs. I don't know with you.
Hey, you do awesome.
Oh. I think.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Give Kaylin a hug. Give hugs.
So, guys, I think that's about time. Right? Thank you. We did not know how to do an outro.
Oh, yeah. How do we, like, make beginning, like, theme?
Do you not know how to make an intro?
No. Do you?
Yes.
Oh, let's do it. Okay, bye, guys. In our next video, we'll have an intro. Bye.